morning, everybody. Today is going to be a lovely day. The sun is out. It is currently 6:56. We woke up at 6:10. Didn't we, Miss Charlotte? She shook her head yes. That is awesome. I could not sleep again last night. It was like 12:30, and I had another friend that messaged me at like 11 something. And she asked if I could make her this sign for her husband for their anniversary or Father's Day. And I said, yeah. But then, like, you know, I could not freaking fall asleep. So I had to come back downstairs and I had to take a melatonin. And then, like, shortly after that, I zonked right out. But it was just like, come on. It's like, I don't know what is wrong with me. I'm going to sleep. It's like, I started watching a show on Netflix that I've been watching. So it's like, whatever. So I am currently going to have some breakfast. And then I'm gonna wake Grandma up, and so we can go couponing. So I can leave to go couponing right away. Yeah, we got that going on. But then Grandma wants to go to one of his friends' house today with their kids, so we're gonna have a play date this afternoon. So I have to hurry up, film my videos, get home, and at least have one video posted by the time we leave. So, like I said, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna hope to be out the door by 8. So I'm hopefully be home by noon. So there is that. And then I do want to go to Menards sometime. I don't know if I should go today. I've been really wanting to go to Menards lately, and I don't know, I can't bring my kids with me, and it's like I should just run in and run out. I don't know what I want to do. Otherwise, I'll ask if he can let me go when we go get the kids, or when we go to his friend's house, because his friend lives near Menards. Because I want to get a board. I've been looking for this tile, so I want to do that. But I'm going to have my cereal and get ready to get going. So let's go couponing. So guess what? It is like what, 8 o'clock? No, I don't think it's 8 o'clock. I think it's 8:30. I don't know what time it is. 8:13. You guys, I am not used to leaving this early in the morning. I got Grandma up at 7:30. I got dressed. I'm going to listen to my music. And we're gonna get going. So I'm gonna go to Walgreens, CVS, film my videos in the car because it's a lovely day outside. Come home, post hopefully both of them, but just at least one if I can, or 2. And then I'm going to go, we're gonna go to Graham's friend's house, and then I'm going to go to Menards because I want to work on this project. I'm sorry, you guys, I have like tons of projects to do for you guys, but I'm ordering some stuff, so it's gonna take a little bit. I'll get back to you, but I will do it. I'm gonna do it. This is the week where I'm gonna start working on a bunch of projects. I gotta get some videos going on because a lot of you guys want to see those videos. So that is what's going on. I want this week to be a productive week on getting stuff done. I want to do at least one cleaning thing a day. And then I want to work on a couple craft projects a day. My friend said she needed her thing by her anniversary, which was in June, and Father's Day. So I can't remember the exact date of her wedding or anniversary because I was obviously in her wedding, but I don't remember on that. So I want to get that worked on today. I might have to order some supplies again, but that's it. I'm gonna hopefully have a successful day. Hey, so let's go shopping. So it is now currently 10:35 and I am done couponing. This is awesome. It took me 2 hours to film and get my videos done. Now I'm gonna go home, hopefully post all 3 of these before I leave. But I am pretty excited that I got it done. I'm gonna call my mother on my way home. I gotta figure out where my phone is. But that is good. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of the day. It's currently 68 degrees outside and humid. So okay, you guys, yeah. So it is currently 1:06. I can't believe I got all 3 of my videos posted, everything before 1 o'clock. That is like a miracle. But we're gonna get going. I changed my shirt. Charlotte just woke up from her nap. Benjamin's blowing bubbles on her belly. We're gonna get going. It started sprinkling, but I think that might be it. So okay, you guys, so we are at a place called Setsy Cow. We are getting an ice cream cone. I got Blue Cookie Monster, which it's Blue Moon ice cream, Oreos, I named Cookie Monster first, and cookie dough. Ben got vanilla. Graham got vanilla. He ate his already. Charlotte finally fell asleep. We were at their house for about 4 hours. Ben was swimming the whole time.
I wanted to stay.
It is hot outside. It is 82 degrees outside, and it is hot. So we're gonna get going soon and head home and relax. It's 5:33. So yeah. Hey, you guys. So it is now 9:31.
9:32.
9:31. Graham, you butt. I'm trying to get Charlotte to sleep. She took a nap on our way home, so she fell asleep. Ben fell asleep on the couch. She's waving to everybody. It is hot as all heck in the house right now. It is 76 degrees in here. We have the we have the windows open, and there's just no air coming in. But I've been working on preparing a couple projects. Yeah, so we got that going on with us now. Hopefully, I don't even know what we're doing tomorrow. If it gets like hot like it was today, we might even put the sprinkler on or a pool or something. I don't know what we're gonna do. Aren't we doing me started? Yeah. So we had a good time today at the friend's house. They had like a water slide. Nope, she's getting tired. They had a water slide, like inflatable pool thing. So Ben just went crazy on that. He was so excited. We all cooked out. Charlotte was like the best, like best behavior ever. So Ben's like, I want to do it again. I'm like, we'll definitely do it again. So we had a good old time. Nice family day. Didn't even feel like Sunday. It doesn't even feel like I went coupon in today. It's crazy. But yes, I hope to have a productive week this coming week. Right, Miss Charlotte? Yes, Mom. So we will see you guys all later. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, we'll see you guys all later and have a nice night. Bye. You're so cute.